As a third-time founder, what did you unlearn this time? It's a tough one.
What did I unlearn? Um, as I was going through building Phoenix, or as learnings from the previous companies? Those are slightly different questions.
I would say as learning or unlearning from previous experiences.
Well, yeah, I mean, I keep saying that, but like, so maybe a few things. The first one is everyone wants privacy, or most people want privacy if the cost is zero or close to zero. So the UX has to be simple, fast. No one should feel like they're using a privacy project, right? And we've seen that with data. Like as soon as the experience or the cost or the latency, like cross a threshold of like maybe it's like 10%, 20% worse than the normal experience with no privacy, then you see churn, you see users leaving. So I unlearned that if you build something good and that has like real value, like privacy, people will use it at any cost or like even at a significant cost. That doesn't happen. So at Phoenix, like that has been like a really, really important staple from day one. How do we build privacy to be completely seamless and easy? And I think again, that's something that people get wrong. They don't even realize how simple privacy can be and how usable. The other thing I learned, and I think the entire industry I unlearned, and the entire industry is unlearned, is that having another chain, like you don't have to be the king. You don't need to be your own L1 or your own L2 to succeed. It's much better to succeed by going to where users are right now and reduce friction to them, which again relates to the UX issue. Yeah.
Yeah, I always compare it with the cookies pop-up window, when it's like two simple buttons, accept cookies or like reject. There is no like debate, I click reject. But when I click reject and there is a pop-up window that asks you to check mark like 5 things, I close it and say, fuck it, I'm gonna accept these cookies. I don't want to spend my time. I think it's very similar in DeFi, especially with like retail users, because the attention span is like super short. But also when it comes to like institutional players and enterprises, for them it's even more than that, right? Because they don't have time and resources to deal with private smart contracts, manage that on their end. Like it's just not possible with them.